Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. And before we get started, I want to wish everybody a happy New Year's. This is going to be the first video of the year, and it's going to be the full respray of the C6 video. And yeah, long overdue, but I finally put it back together, all the clips and everything, and hopefully y'all enjoy it. Just got myself this F80 M3. If y'all want to see some content with that, make sure to subscribe down below. And I already got some shorts posted up, so be sure to check those out, and let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a full respray on the C6 Grandsport. What I'm gonna do right now is take apart all the parts. Well, all that's left is the back trunk over there. We're gonna paint everything individually because it all comes apart, and we're gonna do it nice. And I'm gonna show y'all the entire process of how we sand it down, tape it up, paint it, and assemble the car. All right, while we wait for that to dry, let's take off this emblem. All right, so we just got the front bumper onto the little stand right here, and I'm gonna sand it. I'm not even sure what this is, if it's coated some kind of gel coat or something. It's gonna need some like sealer or some primer for sure, but I'm gonna start sanding it and see, because I noticed a few spots were a little ugly, like right here. Well, I guess I'm gonna start sanding it and see how it goes. Man, check out this thing. It looks like a whole go-kart. Gotta take off the gas cap, and that's it. This thing is stripped down and ready to get reassembled as soon as I paint it. So, 'cause my dad wants it out of the garage ASAP. All right, we got all the parts prepped, set up, and ready to go. Ready for some paint. Looks really good. Just gotta give it a good mix. Alright guys, check it out. I just shot 3 coats of base onto all these parts. Came out really nice. Got everything looking real good, like no trash in it at all. Hopefully the clear coat comes out just as good and no bugs or nothing sits on it, but man, came out freaking perfect, pretty much. What I'm gonna do right now is mix up the clear coat. We'll load it up into the gun and start shooting. Let's go. Alright guys, so just got these parts painted up, clear coated, fresh, and take a look. Everything looks really good, so you can't complain too much. For the most part, this thing came out really good for a DIY. Especially these flat panels. Wow. Amazing. Dang. All right, now so my brother's tagging along and he's knocking out the project, getting the rear bumper put together.
Me tagging along.
He's just tagging along, putting the quarter panel on. Look how good that thing looks. Oh my. And then he already got the bumper started to assemble it, putting the tail lights on there. Let's flip it over. Woo! He got the spoiler on there too. Dang, that thing looks really good. So you got to throw on the quarter panels first because the bumper attaches to this bracket behind the quarter. Nice. All right, my boy just got the fender on and the door. Assemble the door all the way. Dang. That looks really good with the red interior. All right, my brother's getting on the headlights, looking really nice. He went with the aftermarket ones. Man, I wish you could see the lighting. So black housing with the LED strip and then the turn signals right here on the sides. This thing is gonna look sweet. Alright guys, so I wish I had more clips of the C6 after it was already done, but my brother sold it before I could get any more footage. So that sucks, but let me know guys if y'all want to see F80 M3 content. Let me know down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.